Hi all, let's try this quick, easy and delicious recipe of oatmeal chocolate cookies today. Take 2 cups of instant oats and turn it into a fine powder. Now in a bowl, take 80 ml of coconut oil, add 1 heaped tablespoon of date palm jaggery. Break the big chunks of jaggery if any. Now add the powdered oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Now add in 1 cup of instant oats and around 60 grams of coarsely chopped chocolate compound. I've used dark chocolate compound here. Bring the ingredients together. I also added 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, which is completely optional. Mix and put it in the fridge for around 10 minutes to set. Now take a handful of the cookie dough and form a tight ball and gently flatten it on the baking tray. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake your cookies for 15 to 18 minutes until the sides are golden brown in color. Let it cool before you treat yourself with these very healthy and delicious oatmeal chocolate cookies. Thank you for watching.